Let's talk about future in the past. So the past was you are to basically go to college, get a degree, get out, get a good job, get married, have kids, and then stay with that employment for a long time. And then you can retire from there and just live great. Yeah, that might have worked way back. Future, let's be real. It's the internet, people. Yeah, you want to make some money, get on there with an online business. And there's a lot out there to choose from, different things. Some cost a lot more than others. If it's expensive, you probably don't have to do as much, but it may take you a while. If it's, let's say, less expensive, then you're gonna have to do more. It's not a big deal either way. It's simple, but it's hard, if that makes sense. It's hard work in that you have to do it every single day. Okay, guys? If you're interested and want to learn a little bit more, just shoot me a comment. Let's talk. Bye.